Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome in case you are new. In this video, we are going to be learning how to make your own stickers. This is fun to be honest, and this video is going to be a detailed video, which means that it is going to have several options. And I promise you that you will definitely find your own way to make stickers after watching this video. Whole process just have two simple steps. Step number 1 is having your pictures on paper, and step number 2 is making stickers from them. As simple as that. So let's just first move to the step number 1. Now the option number 1 of step number 1 is head on to Google or Pinterest and search printable stickers in the search bar. Now here you will have several different pictures, and in case you are using Pinterest, this is how you can download it. Just click on these three dots and click on download image. Now you can use the suffix such as retro, Avengers, pastel, etc, etc. Now once you have your pictures, what you can do is you can just head on to print those templates if you are okay with it. I was not okay with them, like I wanted to make my own templates, so I use this application called Canva. Once you come at the interface of it, you have to click on create a design, and there you have to select A4 document and click on uploads. Upload an image or video, upload your pin or your downloaded image which you downloaded from Google or Pinterest. I have some of the pins right here. Simply you can click on it and have these on the screen, and this is how you can like simply resize it and all. And also if you are using Canva, then Canva itself have self-made clip arts that you can use. It is present in the column or in the group named as elements. My personal favorite in it is pastel travel accessories. Now once you are done making your template, just click on the download button and again click on the download button to download the image in PDF format. I in total made 2 of these designs, and then head on to your printer and print these designs. As simple as that. Now what if you don't want to print pictures? In that case, here comes the option number 2 for you. You can cut pictures from magazines or old books, and if nothing works, hold your pencil and start drawing the design or the picture. So once you have the collection of the pictures by either of the means, now we need to head on to the step number 2, which is making stickers from these pictures. Step number 1 in step number 2 or step 2.1 is you have to cut these images. I initially cut them in random shape so that they are separated from the paper or separated from each other, and now I will cut them nicely. Also in some images I'm keeping a white boundary, and in some images I'm not keeping that white boundary. It totally depends on you that how you want your stickers to be. once you are done cutting the pictures, you can simply apply a double tape at the back side of the picture and your stickers are ready. But in case you don't have a double tape or you don't want to apply a double tape, then option number 2 is here for you, and these are the materials you are going to be needing. Now presenting you the key product of this method, which is this very inexpensive paper readily available in any local stationery store. So to be super clear, this is the exact same paper which we used to throw in dustbins after using these sticker labels. Basically, this is the paper which we can find beneath these stickers or beneath the sticker label which I am showing right now. You can also replace this paper with a DIY which I am showing right now, and you can use this paper as well for the upcoming steps. You have to apply a piece of transparent tape on this paper with the adhesive side facing downwards, which is towards the paper. Now you have to place another piece of tape with the sticky side facing upwards. Then you have to take your pictures and place them on this tape with the front side facing towards the tape, which is facing downwards. And then finally you have to take that tape and place it on the piece of tape which we applied earlier with the adhesive side facing downwards. Now, just how we did for the step 2.1, here too we have to separate these stickers from one another. Now finally we came at the last step, in which you have to cut these images nicely the final way you want them to be, but make sure to leave a boundary, not for making them look cute, but that is the only place where both of the tapes will stay connected. So if you will cut it, they will be separated from each other and the sum of the whole process will be 0. So please don't do that.